Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here, and welcome to my channel, and happy Mask Monday. Hey guys, we're in October. Oh, can you believe it? I mean, it's just flying by. Time, it just goes, it moves. And today I'm going to do the Avant facial mask. Yeah, y'all remember, if you haven't seen it, I did unbox the Avant 12-day Zodiac Advent Calendar. And I had gotten this in there. And I forgot what day it was for, but it is a facial mask. And it says on here it's Centinela Rose Radiance Capturing Mask. So I think it's supposed to purify and moisturize my skin. So we're going to see how it goes. According to them, this is a $24 facial mask. Yeah, that was the retail value. And I would never spend that much on one mask, but I would definitely use it if I get it as a gift or inside an advent calendar. And I want to see how it works. I can tell you it feels nice and cool. Woo! I can't tell that it's any different from any of those others that we might pay for $5. So, but it's supposed to have all natural ingredients. It has Centinela Rose Radiance Capturing Mask. So maybe that type of rose might be kind of expensive. I'm not sure. But I'm supposed to leave it on for about 15 minutes. And of course it's got all of its instructions here on the back. And this company is based out of England. I think London is where I got the box from anyways. But we're going to do this little mask and see how it works and see if it stays still. I did bring me a mask cover if I need it, but right now it seems to be staying on, so we're going to let that marinate. And I have a few things to show you and talk about right now. I just can't believe we're in October. Can you believe it? First Monday in October. In Texas, they started the state fair, and it goes through the 20th, I think, of October. It opened up later than normal this year. It opened up on September 29th, and it is a big thing here in Texas. And of course, we have the Big Tex, and I don't know if any of you has ever been, but it's quite the occasion for lots of people to go to, and I've been several times, and it is fun. There's a state fair corn dog that's so good. I really look forward to that when I go. And then every year they have all kinds of neat new recipes. Mostly, I would say, junk food and sweet things to eat and try out. But hey, that's part of having the fun, right? But okay, I've got some friend mail from Plush Bat Fan, and I'm just going to go through that real quick. Plush Bat Fan has a channel. He does little math games like multiplication, addition, and subtraction type little games, and I think they're vintage games from the 70s or 80s. So be sure and go over and check out Dream Big Productions, Plush Bat Fan. That is his channel, and I'll have it linked in my description. And he has sent me this bag here, and we're going to find out what we have in here. A note here. Here's a pair of hospital quality socks for yours during the winter season. Bonus items. And then it says Hello Kitty tags. We are now starting to collect Hello Kitty plush dolls recently. Have a wonderful fall season. September 23rd, 2023 was when he sent this out. And as you can see, we have a Hello Kitty tag on there. So he's collecting them, and he's sending out the tags. So there's my tag for my collection, and he sent me some last week. If you haven't watched that video, it was last Monday. And these are some socks. It says it's extra large on the outside. It's Premier Pro slipper socks, and they're XL, one pair. So let's open this up and see what it's like. I don't want to cut his note. See what kind of socks. It says just in time for winter. Ooh, they are nice and soft, and they'll be warm. So Premier Pro, and they've got that slippy stuff on there, so you're not going to go sliding around. So that's really cool. I didn't know that they had hospital socks, but I bet you, I don't know if this is the hospital Premier Pro is the name of it. It says it's MDF for Global, Charlotte, North Carolina. And it says they're made in China. It says not made with natural rubber latex. So they're giving you all the things. And it says it's double thread gray is the color. Slipper socks. So very nice, Plush Bat Fan. Those will be great for wintertime. Thank you. That was very sweet to send me a pair of socks. It says hospital quality is what he says on here. So that's very cool. And then we got a letter from him this week. And as far as the Hello Kitty, I know he's doing something about dressing them up or maybe getting Hello Kitties that have different looks to them. I'm not real sure. I just know a few of the things that he sent me. Okay, here's our note. It says, keep the non-winning expired Arizona lottery tickets as a souvenir. And we got some last week, and we have some more to add to the collection. There's a $2 one, and there's a $6 one. And this is the Mega Millions and the Powerball. And of course, we have both of those in Texas. So very nice. Well, thank you, Plush Bat Fan. I got my Hello Kitty sticker and my Powerball tickets and my Mega Millions and my nice little cozy socks, non-slip socks. So those sound wonderful. Thank you so much. That was so sweet of you to send over. And again, if you don't know Plush Bat Fan, be sure and go over and say hello and subscribe to him if you haven't, and let him know Miss Jackie Russell sent you over. And there's only one more thing I'm going to open up today, and this here is a product that I subscribe to, and it is Purity Products, and it's an intelligent nutritional solution. And I heard about this on the radio one day when going to the airport, and it was telling me how the ingredients of this, I guess, herbal or vitamins can help with metabolism, help with arthritis, and I think it's because of what's in it, you know. So I subscribe to it. I get 3 bottles, a quarter, and it's $119. And it is the Chris Kilham's Green Tea CR Phytosome Elite Green Tea Phytosome with curcumin and resveratrol to support energy, vitality, fat burning, and cardio health. And they also mentioned that it would help like with arthritic type things. And I don't know if y'all remember, but I was having problems, and it still swells up, but it would hurt so bad I could hardly use my hand, and I guess it was some type of arthritis or something in there. But this, after about 30-45 days, I could tell a difference. And then also have a little arthritis sometimes in my hip, and I'm not really having too much trouble with any of that. And I've been taking this for, I think this is my 3rd box, so this would be my 3rd quarter. So I've done 6 months worth, and I found that it's worked real good. I know they have other products, but this is the only one that I've bought. I can tell you that it's, you know, vegan free, lab tested in USA, made in a certified factory. It's vegetarian, it's allergen free, and it's non-GMO. And I can't really tell you too much about the guy, the doctor, really. I just know I liked what I heard that day on the radio station, and I wanted to try it. And so far I've been real pleased with it. It's got vitamin C in it, it's got the green tea, and of course it has the curcumin, but that's like turmeric. It's good for you. I mean, I cook with it all the time. So anyways, I just thought I would share that with you guys. I get 3 bottles a quarter. I take 2 a day in the morning, and I feel like it has been working. Like the energy, I do have a little bit more energy with it, and of course I told you about the arthritis, helping with some of that, and movement being much better, vitality much better. The only thing I don't really know about for sure is like the fat burning, but I know green tea is supposed to be a catalyst to help with the fat burning, and green tea is healthy for you. And basically that's all I have today for Mask Monday. I mean, I really don't have anything going on. We got our 2K winners out. I guess you all seen that. I've already had all of them respond, which is wonderful, and I appreciate you so much. And I congratulate all the winners of the 2K celebration, and I look forward to growing with you guys. And I really, really appreciate all your support, your comments, your love, and and hugs through the, I guess, video chat, or hugs through the comments and what have you. And the things that you guys share with me are really special, and it brings a smile to my face. I had one of my subscribers tell me that her little boy come walking through the room, and she was watching one of my videos, and he said, "Hey, I know her. That's Miss Jackie Russell. I recognize her voice." And I just thought, oh, that is so sweet. And she didn't have to share that with me, but she did, and it meant a lot to me, because we do develop these friendships and relationships, and it's nice to know that you're watching my videos. That's wonderful, and I appreciate you and thank you for that so much. And then I get other inspirations from you all that talk about how the videos can uplift your day, or that you like my smile. It's just the simple things. And I'll just have to say, in return to that, it's your comments, and I guess you could say the simple things, that mean so much. And it costs so little, to give out kindness and to give out encouragement to one another. And I think that's what I see. We grow in our relationships, and we receive encouragement from each other. And you don't know the impact you have on me, and I don't always know the impact I have on you. But when you share that, and we share that with each other, then we get to know that we do have quite an impact through YouTube and our YouTube community. And our YouTube community is just fabulous. It's wonderful. I've heard other subscribers tell me in the past that they've been so glad to find our community, because they had been part of communities that were kind of negative. And I just can't even imagine that, because I have not experienced that with my YouTube channel. And I really appreciate that. I thank God for that. And I feel blessed by that. And I just really, really appreciate each and every one of you. Like I said, I really can't thank you enough, but I do keep trying to. And of course, through the giveaways, that's one way that we can do it. Now, the Dollar Tree train came out yesterday, so be sure and go watch it if you haven't had a chance. We shop all across the USA on that, and you can see what in your local stores for fall decor and for Halloween. We did a combination, fall into Halloween. I have one other giveaway that's open out there. It's a Macy's giveaway, ends on October 6th. I have a couple of surprise giveaways that are hidden in videos, and it's not posted. You would have to just find them and enter, but one of them ends, I think, on the 15th. You just have to catch those in there. And my surprise giveaways, I usually don't tell you a date, but I think on some of these I did give a date. So they'll be ending soon, sometime in October here. So those are just my little surprise things that when you're watching the video, and you never know where they might just pop up and boom, be right there. But I've got a little bit more PR coming out, and I hope y'all don't mind that. You just have to let me know. I get a lot of inquiries for PR. I don't accept all of it, but you have seen some of it that I have accepted, and I like the products. And if I don't like the products, then I don't want to be talking about it, I guess you'd say. Or if I don't think that it's something for me or something that you would like, then I don't agree to it. And of course, I'll be having another advent calendar that I know of right now, be coming out soon, and it'll be a makeup calendar. And I don't really know anything more special coming out this month. I just know I'll be having my regular boxes coming out. I'm hoping my Curator comes soon, and I have an All True that's supposed to be coming. So there are a few things that are in the works and that are coming, and I've got another Be Kind. I've got another The Girlfriend box by AARP. So yeah, there's just things coming out, be rolling out. I mean, this is going to get to be a busy, crazy time of year. But today, that's all I really had, and I just wanted to kind of chit chat with you guys. And I don't know how long I've had this mask on. Oh, it's been on 15 to 20 minutes, and it feels really good. I'm going to take it off. Again, as far as the mask itself, I can't tell the value being more than the average mask, but it feels really good. and the essence is good. It has a light rose scent, but it's not heavy, and I like that. But I do like rose products. I think it's brightened my skin, so yeah, I mean, it's a good mask. I would recommend it if you get it. I don't know that I'd recommend spending $24 for it, but as far as the mask, and if you like these kind of masks, and if you like the Avant products, you would like this mask. Still absorbing into my skin. But hey guys, that's my Mask Monday. That's all I have. So I'm going to let you go. I know you got lots of other Mask Monday ladies to go check out. And remember, we hashtag our Mask Monday ladies, and you can go and watch everybody and give them a happy message of encouragement. I'm sure they would appreciate it. But as for today, and my friend Mel from Plush Bat Fan, thank you very much. That's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.